What's up, guys? I'm going to discuss one of the most trending topic these days related to AI field, that is ChatGPT. Today, I'm going to discuss what are the advantages of ChatGPT and what are the limitations of ChatGPT and how do we use this ChatGPT tool for our academic purposes. That means the how do we use this thing for research works like research papers, and also how do we use it for our thesis and statement of purposes, and uh, without writing the manual thing, how do we use this automate tool efficiently for our academic purposes. Right now, first we'll go to the Google, and after that we'll go to the OpenAI website, because this ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. So I will go to the OpenAI, and you can see this OpenAI and click that one. So then it will be navigating to the OpenAI website, openai.com. So here come to this place, and you can see under this OpenAI, there are the products of OpenAI. Uh, those are available. The Chat GPT. Click this Chat GPT, and once it's come to this level, you can try Chat GPT. You can come and click this try Chat GPT. So after that, we'll see what will happen. Now it is telling that the connection is okay. Now welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Now, if you have a OpenAI account, you can continue. Just log in and you can go ahead. Since you are a newcomer to this one, you have to sign up. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to sign up this one. uh, so after that, it will be asking you to create the account. So you can create the account by using your Google account, or you can use your email account, and you can do the things like that way. So I will use my what we call continue with Google. So then it will be asking to take any of the things. Okay, I will take this research help account, and then what will happen, it will be asking. And yeah, now research tells us about you. Yeah, I will just continue. Then they are asking to verify the number, so I will verify. I will put my number thing. Now you have to put the code there. I will check my mobile phone, and I will put that one. Right, we will put that one. Right, then it will be navigate into the uh, ChatGPT interface. We'll see. After that, it will be navigated to the ChatGPT interface. Then we can work on that one. Yeah, now this is the ChatGPT interface. So now you can use this new chat, and you can continue the things. Now I will this is like this is an advanced version of a normal chatbot. Okay, normal chatbot or conversational AI, because this has some advanced features. But you know that by using normal chatbot or conversational AI, we cannot uh, efficiently write a statement of purpose, or we cannot write a research paper. Research paper, you actually you cannot directly write a research paper by using this tool as well. But you can by using your skills also, by using the help of this one, you can methodically, systematically, you can write a research paper. And the same way you can do that for your thesis as well. So this will help you to utilize your things. Okay, now we'll put okay, and then now after that the end. Now you can use this one. Now there are several examples are given, but we'll see what are the limitations of this chat GPT. May occasionally generate incorrect information. In some cases, they will provide some incorrect responses as well, because this is not like the human, but get close to what we are expecting. may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. In some cases, it will be biased. Limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Okay, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Because after 2021, then the storage is less. So before 2021 you can have because it has the database for those things, right? Okay, the examples are given like explain quantum computing in simple terms. Okay, we can just ask a question and it will give a detailed, very explained answer for that one. Okay, right. And now, so how do we start? We can start by this by clicking this new chat. Okay, just click this new chat. Click this new chat. It will be coming to this one. Okay, here is the place you are going to type your things. Now, what I'm going to write the things. Okay, now suppose that I want to create a nice abstract for my research paper. Okay, suppose I will put the title, uh, and according to that, I will try to make abstract for my research paper. Now, suppose these days I am trying to uh, do an implementation related to brain death. Okay, so we'll see what are the things I can do here. I will write like uh, write write a abstract abstract of write abstract of 200 words 200 words write an abstract of 200 words, uh, research paper, for research paper, for research paper, for research paper on the title of, on the title of, on the title of uh, brain dead identification using signal EEG techniques. You'll see EEG techniques and novel framework is used using LSTM, RNN, and other deep learning methods. We'll see. Branded early early identification of brain. I will put early identification of identification of brain. Okay, you don't want to bother about the spellings and the grammar. Okay, they will understand things. Okay, now they will generate this one. Okay, right now, no, yeah, they will auto generate. Brain death is a condition in which the brain is no longer functioning and it will not recover. It is a critical point in the care of patients who have suffered severe brain injury or illness, as it marks the point at which life-sustaining treatments such as mechanical ventilation may be withdrawn. Early identification of brain death can be challenging as the signs and symptoms may not be immediately apparent. In this study, the authors propose a novel framework for identifying brain death using electroencephalography techniques and deep learning methods such as long short-term memory and recurrent neural networks. The proposed framework utilizes EEG data to train and evaluate the performance of the deep learning models in detecting brain death. The aim of this research is to improve the accuracy and speed of brain death identification, allowing more allowing for timely and appropriate care for patients. The results of this study suggest the proposed framework is a promising approach for early identification of brain death, which high accuracy and sensitivity. This approach has the potential to improve patient outcomes and could be applied in a clinical setting to aid the diagnosis and management of brain death. Wow, superb, superb abstract. I cannot even think about this type of abstract. And there are other things also to be considered. What is one thing? One thing is they will automatically go through the research papers and they will find out what are the available gaps also, research gap and the novelty also. They will understand and they will auto generate those things. So my effort of browsing the research paper also minimized by this thing. Okay, so good point. Now when you are using more appropriate keywords, your abstract will be more concise. So that is the way of using this one. The same way you can try for the introduction and the research gap and the other things as well. So what you can do, you can just take this one and copy, and you can copy paste this thing to the what we call your notepad, because otherwise when you just put it to the word, it will be coming with their default format. So copy it to the notepad and put control A, and after that take copy all those things, and then you can paste it to your Word document. Okay, that is the way we are using this chat GPT for our research papers, sirs, and also you can do this thing for many various things. Okay, we'll see other interesting thing also using this one. Okay, now I am going to take another new chat, and here what I'm going to do, I will I will try to write a what we call uh, what we call try to identify a research gap. We'll see whether I can identify a research gap in brain dead. Okay, research write a research gap in brain death, considering the research papers available. Write a research gap in brain death, uh, a brain death identification using machine learning, the deep learning, considering the research papers available, considering the latest, research papers available since 2019. Right, we'll see what we can do from here. Right, a research gap in, yeah. One potential research gap is the use of machine learning and deep learning for brain death identification is the lack of robust and generalized models. Many current approaches rely on specific features or data sources that may not be universally applicable or easily reproducible in different clinical settings. Additionally, there is a need for more rigorous evaluation of these models, including the use of large and diverse data sets and the incorporation of clinical experts into ensure that the model accurately and reliably identify brain death. Another potential research gap is the lack of robust and reliable data on brain death, which can make it difficult to develop and evaluate machine learning and deep learning models for this purpose. Finally, there is a need for more research on the ethical and legal implications of using machine learning and deep learning for brain death identification, as well as the potential impact on clinical practice and decision making. Right, according to the way that I have used the keywords, they will give the expected outcomes. But we can make it more efficient by using the proper keywords. When we provide more inputs, it will give a more concise output. So I think these parts will be enough for you. And after that, your imagination and your creativity, according to your creativity and your imagination, we can make research papers, thesis very efficiently by using ChatGPT. I think if you feel this thing is helpful, please put a comment. Please put a like to this video and share this thing with your friends. Okay, then I can make more videos related to this AI and machine learning stuff. And also, I'm considering about this ChatGPT and what are the limitations of this ChatGPT, because this I'm currently implementing a chatbot, conversational AI. We'll see what are the things we can modify by considering the aspects that we have got from this ChatGPT. Thank you very much, guys.